Hello YouTube, this is a road train attempt. There is about 20 carriages on here. As you can see, the head of the train is starting to come around. The longest road train ever.
With a pin on it, just behind the pin actually, on the back of the try there, the A-plate, push it in, put it in the plug, got the pin, back the axe, clean it, yeah. You'll hear us still better.
The road train stopped. Yay! Woo!